Okay, let me talk about the usage of xParticle curveMultiTrail node group. Open the File menu in the upper left corner, click Append, select and open the file. Press the space key to preview. The background is a bit bright and can be adjusted to be darker for easier observation. If round head is checked, the particles in the head will be round, otherwise they will be square. You can try it yourself. Let me first reduce the point density a little to improve calculation speed. Increasing or decreasing the value can affect the size of the head particles. Adjusting speed can affect the movement speed of particles. At the same time, the trail will also become shorter. Of course, you can adjust the trail life to make it longer. As the speed increases, the trail will also become longer. Adjusting point density will affect the number of head particles and thus the number of trails. Trim is used to trim the input curve. The minimum value is usually 0.01 and the maximum value is 1. Give it a keyframe so that the particles will grow along this curve. Otherwise, they will flow along the entire curve at the beginning. The trail start frame and trail end frame define the start and end frames of the trail. After the end frame, only the head particles will be left. Trail life affects the length of the trail. Remember what I said earlier? The animation speed and trim will also affect the length of the trail, so I made keyframes here to slightly balance the actual length of the trail. Of course, it is also possible to just adjust the values without keyframes. At this time, the influence of speed and trim will produce very dramatic visual effects. Change the value a few times and you can see the effect on the trail length. Okay, let's move on to trail size, and you can see that it affects the thickness of the trail. Trail overall strength and trail overall amplitude affect the shape of the trail as a whole. Trail deals strength and trail deals amplitude add detail to it locally. Trail accuracy increases the accuracy of the trail. When the accuracy is very low, adjusting strength and amplitude will not have much effect. Increasing the precision allows more effects to be applied to the trail. Here you can also refer to the values I used to adjust, so that the trail can achieve an effect similar to the spread of electric fire. We duplicate this curve and merge them. The last adjustment is an experimental parameter used to try to apply the effect directly on multiple curves. Of course, don't forget to change the input curve to the merged one. Remember, if you have drawn your own curves in your project, be sure to make your selections here. Okay, we can now see that there is adhesion between the two curves. We can reduce this phenomenon by reducing the cut threshold, but at the same time, it will also affect the effect of the trail itself. However, with a little attention to wiring, we can get this effect in one go.